Now we're gonna talk about a very wonderful feature called shelving. So instead of checking the changes I've made, I will shelve it. Shelving is like making backup for my work. So now I'm gonna name my shelf set as backup work, and as you can see below that, by default preserve pending changes locally is already checked by default. So what this will actually do, it won't affect the server in any way regarding the check-ins. No one of my team will know that I have made any work. So this is for me, this is my backup. So I'm gonna shelve now. So as you can see, it's not checked in, it's already shelved on the server, but it's shelved for me, it's my backup, it's not checked in. So now I'm gonna undo the changes as if nothing happened, and now the form will appear with no buttons or text box. So now the form's empty. I will now unshelve my backup and see what will happen. Unshelve, select the backup, unshelve it, tells me has been modified in another environment, so I will reload, and I will choose to overwrite the local file on my folder, and instead of keeping the file, of course. So now I click on the form, the buttons and text box will appear again. And if I go to pending changes, the files are there waiting to be checked in. If I want to be sure more, I'll go to source control, where I click the dev and view history. As you can see, the 109 is still the latest change set, so this means no check-in has taken place, it's only the shelf. So now we are gonna simulate a disaster scenario if you lose your laptop, or if you lose the hard drive, or if you want to share your shelf with other team members for code review or something. So now I will shelve it, and instead of preserve the change locally, I will uncheck it. Gonna name my shelf set just a normal one, and uncheck preserve pending changes locally. As I said, this will benefit you a lot if you intend to make a code review, or if you want to work on your code from another machine. So if you lost your laptop or your hard drive, you already have shelved your work on the TFS server. Now I'll click on shelve, and unlike the preserve locally changes, my changes won't be on my local drive anymore, but will be on the server. So now the form has no buttons, has no text box or anything. So if I want to get my work back, I will just unshelve it and choose the normal shelf, double click on it to be sure. Yes, that's it. Click on unshelve, reload, and as you can see, now everything is back to normal. If I open the form, find my buttons, and now I will try to check in. Oh, I forgot to associate the work item. Okay, so now I'll change the comment also, and go to the work item and associate with the task. Now check in normal. Now all of my work has been done, and it's now it's server, so it's available for my team members, and it's on the branch already. As you can see now, the latest change set is 112.